Alright, after cleaning my H2OG and letting it dry, it is ready to reassemble. It's not that complicated. It looks like a lot of stuff, but as long as you keep the parts together and remember how everything goes together. Like I almost forget sometimes. I don't even know if I'm screwing this the right way. It's upside down or not. I think we got it. This is the splash guard for the H2OG, so you don't get gross water in your mouth. Pretty cool feature. So that's all set to go. We are going to put the spring back. And that just screws right in. Kind of feel mission impossible with cleaning and putting these things together. Some Agent 47 going to smoke some weed to the dome. This is a very small spring. I will probably lose this eventually. This is for the little, I don't know what you call it, button thing. To either increase, put more weed in there, or decrease it. I don't know if you have to take that part a piece, it's able to come apart. So I'm going to take it apart as much as possible. Let's see. That's for if you want to put 1 gram in there. I would not recommend 1 gram. If the cherry goes out on this midway, you're going to have like half a gram of just green that isn't smoked yet. You're going to have to dig through all the ash to try to get it. It's a real hassle. So this little thing with this tool makes it so it halves it so you can put maximum in of half gram. These little teeth that just lock it in. It's easy as that. And a little glass bubbler. This line is all the water you need. Not very much at all. Just push that down. Snug. That's literally it. This just covers that, makes it all nice and neat. And a little cap. You're ready to go. We'll add water to this. I'll show you how to load it, and we will smoke some cannabis. Sounds good. Bye-bye.